What is a no-cost refinance? You're going to get out there on social media and the Reddit and things of that nature, and a lot of people will say, oh, they're rolling in the cost. You can't do a no-cost refinance, but here, I'm going to guide you through it real fast, okay? It's math, right? And it's kind of like everyone knows what points are. Think of it as reverse points. If you get an interest rate here, right, and you closed and you're paying 7% here, you could have maybe gotten an interest rate at 6 3/4 and paid points, right? It would cost you more money. Think of this as reverse, right? So if I can get you an interest rate at 6% at 0 points, and you take 6 1/4, the lender is going to pay you money because the market's at 6, not at 6 1/4. So they're going to make more money on your loan over the life of the loan if you take a higher rate at 6 1/4, right? But if you're at 7, you can do a potential no-cost refi. You take that credit at 6 1/4 and lower your interest rate down to 6 1/4 with the bank's money instead of paying money to get 6. So in the end, you're taking a higher rate that pays you enough premium to cover all your closing costs, or most of those. And you want enough to cover your transactional cost, right? But here's the thing. The beauty in this is how you chase the market down using the bank's money, not yours. If rates drop after 6 months further, then you do it again. So here's the thing. You don't have to time the market. Take your opportunities when they come with a no-cost refinance. Yes, you're taking a slightly higher rate than if you paid to get a lower rate. Take what's free. I've had clients at Freddie Mac do 13 no-cost refinances until and ultimately kept paying the higher payment every time they saved money, and they paid their house off in like a third of the time. Here's the thing. You never go backwards by doing a no-cost refinance if it's a 30-year fixed to a 30-year fixed. I can run the math with you all you want. All those people say, oh, I've paid 2 years, I've paid 5 years, I've paid 3 years, paid 7 years. I don't want to go back to a 30-year mortgage. Here's the thing. I have investors that will allow me to do 27-year, 26-year, or 30-year. But here's the thing also, you can take a 30-year mortgage and I'll tell you exactly what to pay so that your loan pays off the very same month. And then you can take the rest of the money and just put it in your pocket and go out to eat or do whatever you want to do. But save the money when you can. A no-cost refinance never sets you back. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. If you want me to run the math for you, I'm happy to do so. For all those loan officers out there that can't do the math, I'll do it for you too if you want me to. Give me a call. 703-799-5626. Talk to you soon.